first segment of this course, we'll just be covering key terms related to COVID-19 and that we'll be seeing throughout this course. So the first term we're going to be looking at is infectious disease. And infectious disease is basically just an illness that is caused by some sort of microorganism, such as a virus or bacteria, that can spread from person to person. And infectious diseases can spread in many different ways, such as eating contaminated food, sexual contact, through droplets of saliva or mucus, through blood, coming into contact with contaminated surfaces, and even insect bites. So some common infectious diseases are like the flu, influenza, the common colds, or locally known as catarrh, hepatitis, norovirus, and different forms of STD. So some key terms to know as we proceed through this course is one of them is exposure. So exposure just basically means coming into contact with any microorganism such as a virus or bacteria that causes a particular health problem, and that then leads to infection. And infection basically just means when a virus or bacteria multiplies and invades a part of your body or enters a part of your body where it's not naturally found. So our body does have naturally occurring healthy bacteria, but obviously there's also harmful bacteria. So when harmful bacteria does enter our body, it can cause disease, which is the next word. So a disease basically just happens when an infection does damage to the body, which causes illness or sickness. And lastly, transmission. Transmission just means the way that a virus or bacteria spreads and infects a person's body, so how it spreads from person to person.